Okay, so now we're gonna remove the cap. We want to get out that bulb right there. Stop drilling. Take this bulb out. Now we're gonna remove this coolant box that's in the way of our cap. This screw right here, which is located right in front of the cap, and this screw right here. This is all out of the way, kind of. Spit on this cap right here. And we're going to remove that bulb.
Nice, okay.
Okay, so now you always want to test your bulbs before you go cock out. Plug this shit in. Let's plug in the ballast. If it doesn't work, sometimes it's because this thing is inverted. You may have to twist it around. Okay, now let's plug it in and turn it on. Never want to touch the bulb either. You don't want to get grease on that. You got the key?
All right, it's good. Yep.
What you gotta do is drill a hole so you can run this through the back of the cap. If you have some heavy duty scissors, you can nice. Very easily. Now you gotta feed the wire through the cap and connect the grommet. Make sure you get all the wires through from the inside. Not this guy. Those little guys. Okay. Now you gotta squish that grommet through. Seal it up. Proofed out, as you can see. Nice tight hole. You ready to install? Yeah, for sure. Now we're gonna install this. Kind of a little lazy here, so I'm just gonna crack this out. No plan on using that. Okay. Now you gotta plug this in to the original bulb, like such. Now we're gonna go in for the kill. Now we're going to zip tie this cable to the ECU wire right there.
Okay, shut it.
On the passenger side headlight, as you can see, this coolant tank is in the way, so a little bit hard to see, but yeah, you gotta squish in.
You know, I can't see shit.